Okay, so except for maybe a few touch-ups and some plants that need to go in, it's all finally done. And like, so I just walked down the side of the driveway. So I'm gonna just move out a little bit, go a little wider. So there you go. And you can see where the house, what that is, where's the house. And this is it near the bottom of the driveway. So I set it up, pretty much like a park. You can walk through it, through the flower beds. And here we go. Now we're up to the main beds where we've got a solar powered water fountain working in the center of this. And you can see the plants up the side. There's the side bed. Here's the plants that go up the side of this hill. You come down another path and you pass by my roses, my knockout roses, which are not blooming at the moment. My beautiful pinky winkies. These are beautiful. It's a form of hydrangea. And we're back down near the bottom. And as I said, there's a few touch-ups I still have to do, but the whole thing is finally